You've seen the stories. Someone tosses a few $100s at a coin with a dog on it and suddenly they're a millionaire. Welcome to the wild, weird, and wonderful world of meme coins. But let's be honest, behind all the hype and the Lambo dreams, there's a much harsher reality. So, are these viral cryptocurrencies a golden ticket or just a really fast way to lose your shirt? Today, we're cutting through the noise. We'll cover how to spot a coin with potential, how to actually buy them step by step, and the critical mistakes that trip up 99% of newcomers. So, what exactly is a meme coin? At their core, they're cryptocurrencies inspired by internet jokes, pop culture, and whatever's currently trending. Think Dogecoin and its iconic Shiba Inu, or Pepe, born from the famous frog meme. But here's the key difference. Unlike giants like Bitcoin or Ethereum that aim to solve real-world problems with complex tech, most meme coins are created for fun, for the community, or as pure satire. Some, however, are created from the get-go as pump-and-dump schemes or outright scams designed to drain your wallet. Their value isn't tied to a brilliant business plan or some game-changing technology. It's driven almost entirely by social media hype, the passion of their online communities, and endorsements from influencers or celebrities. The best way to think of them is like digital lottery tickets. You can get in for cheap, and there's a tiny, microscopic chance they could explode, but the odds are overwhelmingly stacked against you. In early 2025, the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance even issued a statement clarifying that they view most meme coins as being akin to collectibles rather than securities, meaning they don't fall under the same investor protection laws. They are, by nature, one of the most speculative gambles in the entire crypto space. If they're so risky, why is everyone and their grandma talking about them? The answer is simple. The mind-bending, explosive gains. We've all seen the charts that look like rocket launches, coins going up thousands of % in just a few days. For traders who manage to get in early and, more importantly, get out at the right time, the profits can be life-altering. But it's not just about the money. There's a powerful sense of community. Meme coins build passionate armies of supporters on platforms like Twitter and Reddit. Being part of the SHIB army, or a similar group, can feel like you're part of a movement, a massive inside joke that might actually make you rich. Then there's the accessibility. Many meme coins trade for tiny fractions of a cent. While the low price per token isn't a true indicator of value, it feels less intimidating than buying a small piece of a single Bitcoin, allowing beginners to snap up millions of tokens for just a few bucks. This combo of jackpot potential, community spirit, and a low barrier to entry is the fuel for the meme coin frenzy. Okay, time for a serious reality check. For every meme coin millionaire, there are thousands who lose it all. That same insane volatility that creates those lottery-like wins is a brutal double-edged sword. First, the volatility is off the charts. A price can surge 1,000% because of a single tweet, and it can crash back to practically zero just as fast when the hype fades. There are no fundamentals to break the fall. Once the crowd gets bored and moves on, the value can completely evaporate. Second, the space is an absolute minefield of scams. The most common are pump-and-dump schemes, where creators and insiders hype up a coin to attract buyers, then sell off their massive holdings, crashing the price and leaving everyone else holding worthless bags. Even worse are rug pulls, where the developers of a new coin simply vanish with all the investors' money. Since this corner of the market is largely unregulated, victims of these scams have almost no recourse to get their money back. Finally, most meme coins have no intrinsic value. They don't power an app. They don't offer a service. They exist purely for speculation. If the hype dies, there's nothing left. That's why most financial analysts agree. Treating meme coins as a traditional investment is a mistake. It's much closer to gambling. If you've heard all that and still want to try your luck, with a small amount of money you are 100% prepared to lose, here's your technical guide. This isn't financial advice, it's a roadmap for navigating the process. Step 1. Get a crypto wallet. First, you need a hot wallet. Or Vine. Or Jarn. Software wallet, connected to the internet. For meme coins on blockchains like Solana or Ethereum, top choices include Phantom or MetaMask. Think of it as your personal bank for the Wild West of crypto. You'll download it as a browser extension or app. Pay close attention during setup. You'll get a 12 or 24-word seed phrase. Write this down. Store it somewhere safe, offline. Never, ever share it with anyone. That phrase is the only key to your funds if you lose access. If someone else gets it, your money is gone. Step 2. Fund your wallet. Your new wallet is empty. You need to fill it with a base crypto like Solana, SOL, or Ethereum, ETH, to trade for meme coins. The easiest route is buying it on a major centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. After you buy it, you'll withdraw it to your new wallet address. Triple check that wallet address before you hit send. Blockchain transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Find and research coins. This is where the real work begins. Thousands of new meme coins launch every day. Use tools like Dex Screener or Dex Tools to see what's new and trending on decentralized exchanges. You can see live charts, trading volume, and who's buying, but don't just ape into a coin because it's rocketing. Do your own research. DYOR. Look for signs that it might be more than just a scam. Is there a real, active community on Twitter or Telegram? Does the website look like it was built in more than 5 minutes? Check the token's contract. Are a few wallets holding a huge chunk of the supply? That's a massive red flag for a pump and dump. Step 4. Buying on a decentralized exchange. DEX. Most new meme coins aren't on major exchanges yet. You'll buy them on a DEX like Jupiter for Solana or Uniswap for Ethereum. In your wallet, you'll find a swap feature or a built-in browser. Connect your wallet to the DEX, select the token you want, and paste its official contract address. This is critical. Always get the contract address from the project's official site or a trusted crypto data aggregator to avoid fakes. Next, decide how much SOL or ETH to swap. You'll see a setting called slippage tolerance, which accounts for price changes while your transaction is processing. Set it between 1 to 5% for volatile coins. Confirm. Pay the network gas fee, and the tokens will land in your wallet. Selling is the exact same process, just in reverse. To walk through this minefield and come out the other side, you need a game plan. First, and I can't say this enough, only invest what you are completely, absolutely willing to watch go to zero. Treat it like casino money. Once it's in, consider it spent. This is the key to not making panicked, emotional decisions. Second, take your profits. It's so tempting to hold on for dear life when a coin is soaring, dreaming it will never stop. That's greed talking. A smarter approach is having an exit plan. For example, if your investment doubles, sell your initial investment. Now you're playing with house money, and it's a stress-free ride. Third, do not chase pumps. Fear of missing out, FOMO, is your absolute worst enemy. Here. By the time a coin is trending everywhere and already up 1,000%, you're probably late to the party. Buying the peak is a rite of passage for losing money. Be patient. Fourth, don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you decide to play this game, spread a small amount of gamble money across a few different projects. While this doesn't eliminate the danger, it might soften the blow if one coin goes to zero. Most experts suggest speculative assets like meme coins should make up no more than 1 to 2% of your entire investment portfolio, if you include them at all. So, back to the big question. Are meme coins worth your investment? If by investment you mean a sound, long-term strategy for building wealth, then the answer is a hard no. They have no real value, they're wildly unpredictable, and the space is filled with risks that make them a terrible fit for a stable portfolio. However, if you approach them for what they are, a form of high-risk speculative gambling, then a very small amount of fun money can be an entertaining way to engage with crypto culture. Just don't ever mistake it for a real financial plan. For any beginner, the verdict is crystal clear. Start by learning the fundamentals of established projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Understand the technology and what gives them long-term value before you even think about stepping into the meme coin casino. For every person who strikes gold, the vast majority just end up losing. Proceed with extreme caution. What are your thoughts on meme coins? Have you ever bought one? Drop your story in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful and want more honest, no-hype crypto analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've linked all the tools mentioned in this video down in the description. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.